Hey everyone, it's you teacher here, and basically in today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Ilomilo by Billie Eilish on the ukulele. So as usual, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you are liking all my videos. As we always do, make sure you have your U and make sure it's also in tune. These are the chords you will need for the song. If you already know all these chords, that is awesome, and you can skip to a later portion of the video for strumming pattern and chord progression. So the first chord is going to be in F minor. This is first finger on the first fret of the first string, second finger on the first fret of the third string, and fourth finger on the third fret of the fourth string. The next chord is a G minor. This is first finger on the first fret of the fourth string, second finger on the second fret of the second string, and third finger on the third fret of the third string. The next chord is a C minor. This is just you're going to take your first finger and bar the very first bottom three chords of the third fret. So again, all the chords that we have the F minor, the G minor, and the C. So basically, the strumming pattern for this song is going to be 8 up strums for each chord. So we have up, tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, tap. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for each chord. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're just going to end on the C for 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the beginning we have then we just go back to the beginning and do it all over again. So the chord progression starts on the F minor, then goes to the G minor, then goes to the C minor. So as usual, I'm going to put the lyrics down here and I will play. So if you want to sing or play along, feel free to do that. So guys, I hope that this tutorial helped you learn Ilomilo on the ukulele. If you liked the video, make sure to comment down below what you want to see next, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.